Are you recording again?
Say something about an anal wand.
What do you want me to say about it? They're nice. Got on the internet yesterday, did a search for anal play. What did I get? Anal wand. Ordered off the internet, it was brown. When I get done with it, it's still gonna be brown. Cause I'm gonna put the anal wand in my butt. Yeah! Who wants to help me with my wand? It's something magical. I love wands, especially anal ones. Not like those lame ones that Willow had in that movie with Val Kilmer. Those are stupid wands. And it was curvy, like a pigtail.